Energy can exist in several forms. So let's move on and talk about the types or forms of energy. Energy can take different forms, as I stated. The first example we're going to talk about is kinetic energy. This energy due to motion. All moving objects have kinetic energy. All moving objects have kinetic energy. On our previous slide, we saw that when we throw a bowling ball, this ball can do work by knocking over the bowling pins. The energy possessed by this moving bowling ball is kinetic energy. Therefore, it moves and then knocks over the bowling pins. The same applies to this car. As this car is moving, it has a velocity. Therefore, this car has kinetic energy. We can calculate kinetic energy using the formula Ke is equal to half mv squared. Ke is equal to half times mv squared. This can also be stated as Ke is equal to mv squared over 2. mv squared over 2. That is the formula for kinetic energy. There are certain important things that we need to note. The mass should always be in kilograms. The mass should always be in kilograms. So before we can use any mass in this formula, that mass should be changed to kilograms. Before we can use any velocity, that velocity should be in meters per second. Remember, we have other ways of measuring velocity. One is miles per hour, okay? Kilometers per minute. We have several ways of measuring velocity, but that velocity or speed should be in meters per second, and then the mass should be in kilograms. So this is the formula for calculating kinetic energy. Ke is equal to half mv squared, or mv squared over 2. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a moving object.